Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the most important concepts in software development is the concept of application programming, interfaces, or APIs. In this video, we are going to look at an introduction to APIs and how they work. Let's go ahead and take a look at the material. APIs, or application programming interfaces, enable communication between software systems. They allow data exchange and function execution through defined rules and protocols. APIs are essential for making requests to online services, accessing databases, and using third-party services, playing a crucial role in modern software and the digital economy. An API is a set of rules that allows applications to communicate. It defines request and response formats, specifies accessible resources, and outlines operations. APIs act as intermediaries, enabling software to work together without understanding each other's code. APIs function like a waiter in a restaurant. The kitchen is the internal system, customers are external systems, and the waiter, API, takes orders, communicates with the kitchen, and delivers the dishes. An API involves a client making a request, the API processing it, and sending back a structured response. Requests include parameters and authentication, while responses are often in JSON or XML format. This slide shows an example of a simple API request to fetch weather data for a specific city and the server's JSON response. APIs come in various forms, each serving different purposes. Web APIs use HTTP protocols, including REST and SOAP. Open APIs are public, while internal APIs are private. Partner APIs are for specific partners, and GraphQL APIs allow precise data queries. Web APIs communicate over the web using HTTP or HTTPS. REST APIs are scalable and simple, using URLs and HTTP verbs. SOAP APIs are more rigid, used in enterprise applications for complex transactions. GraphQL APIs offer a modern way to query data, allowing clients to request specific fields and avoid overfetching. Unlike REST, which fetches the entire resource, GraphQL fetches only the requested fields. There are three main types of APIs: open APIs, which are publicly available for developers; internal APIs used within an organization; and partner APIs, which provide controlled access to specific business partners. APIs offer numerous benefits, including interoperability, innovation, scalability, automation, ecosystem expansion, and enhanced user experience. They enable seamless integration, empower developers, allow businesses to scale, automate workflows, create ecosystems, and provide personalized user experiences. APIs are used for social media integration, payment processing, mapping services, and cloud services. They enable sharing content, secure transactions, embedding maps, and managing resources programmatically. In summary, APIs are crucial for modern software, enabling system communication and integration. They drive innovation and efficiency, allowing for robust, scalable applications and seamless user experiences. As businesses embrace digital transformation, APIs become increasingly vital in the tech ecosystem. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a solid understanding of APIs and their importance in software development. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.